We kind of say in our world that the clean campus is a safe campus. The disinfecting, cleaning these surfaces, keeping it virus-free, germ-free has become high priority for us. Part of what we're doing today is doing a lot of high dusting, disinfecting in different areas. This many square feet, we have 3 different shifts, so every shift does a different task. Today in the Student Union Market area, they're just disinfecting chairs, cleaning chairs, flipping them upside down, make sure we got them all cleaned. Unfortunately, with COVID-19 going on and nobody being on campus, we take that opportunity to get a lot of the areas we haven't been able to get to before. The pipes, the high dust, the lights, the glass, the windows, all that gets done now. The vacuum we use is what's called a Karcher ride-on vacuum cleaner. It does have a HEPA filter in it, so it traps anything that would come through it. It gets filtered in through the HEPA filter. We use that a lot in different areas. It's compact enough where we can get into tight areas. With it being mobile, you can cover a lot of ground quicker than you could with just an upright vac.
I don't care what building, they'll sanitize it. I mean, these buildings are ready for the public.
We have hit every square inch, every classroom. We're going into the classroom, we're disinfected. We're actually flipping tables upside down, flipping chairs upside down. We're disinfecting tabletops, disinfecting the boards, the walls, the doors. So everything gets hit here.
They're awesome. Public don't have to worry. We're ready.